Welcome to Python programming. Let's walk through the simple Python program perfect for beginners. First line has this is a comment. This means it is just a note for humans. Python skip it completely. Next we have print hello world. This tells Python to display the text hello world on the screen. Then print my name is Pradip. It prints your name or mine in this case. Next line print I am learning Python. Great, Python is a beginner friendly and powerful. Then another comment explaining the text. Next line again this won't run, just a helpful message for humans. Now print comments help explain code. Exactly, comments are like the little reminder in your code. Next one, print Python is awesome. Yes, it is. Then print let's code together. A nice motivational line, you and Python coding together. One last comment, final comment, again not execute. And finally, print this is line 8. And then print programming is fun. That's how you end a fun and simple script. So remember, comment explain your thoughts and print show message. That's it, your first 8 line of Python. Thank you.